Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we will be taking a look at how you can use user persona and how you can sign up with that platform. So let's get started, let's get into it. So first you all need to do is to go on Google and type user persona generator. So user persona generator is basically a tool that allows you to visualize key differences between groups within your target audience. It's basically a profile of imagined individual that reflect a business or consumer base. User persona are written as an individual or real, but at the same time they reflect common attributes across the cohort of people, as they're semi functional and they're not specific individual, but they're characterized, should be gathered in above some manner. So you will see in 2023 you will see a lot of generators, a lot of AL tools. Let me just show you the most useful and most beneficial for you. So here is go the user persona generator. You will see a lot of links over here, like make my persona, free bar persona. So let me suggest you the best one is that, let me see here, yeah, the uxpressia. You simply click on that one and you will see the interface like this, the user uxpressia, the platform. You can use user persona generator. So let's get started. Save time building persona with the persona creator. Create visually appealing professional personas with no design and technical skills. Everything you need to manage and organize all of your personas is right here in uxpressia online persona generator tool. So you can get started with, it's free, but let me just take a look at that. After we sign up with that platform, use persona because it's a big time saver for me. It's offer a simple way of building personas. I just fill it the blanks in a template and export the output. You can enjoy instant collaboration on person from anywhere. Easily share personas with teammates and people outside the team. Post text and voice comments, start discussion threads, add stickers to speak your mind, and output during online session. And whether it's a workshop or with this B2B team, you can last minute add before an important presentation. All changes will show on the fly across the devices. You can customize personas template on your need. Design your own templates for customer profiles. Change the structure easily. Experiment with landscape and different layouts and find the best representation of your research data. You can highlight difference between the personas and get audience insight. You can give your person a personality, choose from the preset personality types or define your own, differentiate between user, buyer and the customer personas and better understand your behavior, mindset, emotions and motivations. You can get a quick overview of how large the market is for each of your persona, compare persona skills, preferences and traits separately on one of a screen and keep them visual with minimize the tags. Alrighty, now no blank page fear ever. Spend less time on routine tasks. Username and photo generators in a persona builder to get help with giving your persona a realistic name and adding retrieve photo of their profile. If you scroll it out, you will see the different thing you can replace for with usual elements. You can quickly export your personas, get your team on board with persona creations. So let's get started. Let's get started with that platform. Go on top, you will see options here. Get started, it's free. Simply click on that. You can simply get Google, enter your email address, go with your Google account, Michael Diaz, simply look at that one, and once you're done you will be see the landing page. Agree it, sign up, and here we go. Now we'll see the uxpressia, the official page. You will see my profile over here, the personal workspace, and you can create your own projects here. You will see there is no project here. You can, if you wanted to add a new project, so simply click on add project and you will see the project is empty. You can create a members to start a new genre, and you can create your persona as a blank template. This is how you can just sign up with that platform. On the left side you will see the personal workspace. You can your private projects, your draft, your archive, your trash. You can add folder, you can simply share your photo with other people like your friends, your team members. You can add and invite new users. So this is the how you can use with that platform. Just simply review the website, sign up with that platform, create your new projects, and boom, there you go, and you can create your personas here. So if you like that video, make sure you subscribe this channel, and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks so much.